Okay, today I'm going to show you how to upload new products to your Shopify store. So let's just get right into it. If you're logged into your admin here, you just click on products on the left side here. And then there's a black button on the top right, near the top right of the screen that says add product. So just click on that. And then you're going to give it the title. So I'm going to call it the test product, and write your description here. You can add all kinds of stuff in here, videos, images, whatever you want. Format it in different ways, add links, all that cool stuff. Then you want to put some images for your products, so you can upload new directly from your computer, or you can select existing images that are already in your store. So I'm going to select existing, and I'm just going to get this one. Got a keychain here, and you can see just from this image Shopify has pulled these categories, keychains. So that's pretty cool. We don't have to do anything about the categories. I mean, you could adjust this if you want to. But anyway, it says here determines tax rates, improves search, that kind of stuff. So just leave that as is. Price, put in your price. Let's just say $10 for this keychain. These things over here on the right, you might not have to worry about right now, but yeah, I mean, it's for product organization, so you could click here and learn more if you want. Maybe if you have a collection for keychains, it would be here. If not, you can click up here, add new collection, and create a collection for keychains. Otherwise, you might not need to do much here for now. Save that for later. Then we've got the inventory. So if you're just starting out your store, you might only have one location. Don't really worry about it. I've got a couple here. It's mostly just for my back-end management. It doesn't really change anything. So we want to I'm going to keep the inventory tracked. Let's just say, for example, I only have one of these and I know it's going to be difficult to get another one, or I'll never get another one. Then I'm just going to go ahead and set this to 1 and keep it tracked. Now, if it was something that you're drop shipping or whatever, you're getting manufactured yourself, you're making it yourself, if you know you can always get more and it's never going to be an issue, even if you're sold out, you can quickly get more, then you could just turn this off, set it for inventory not tracked. So that means, 1,000 orders can come in and it doesn't matter if you have it in stock or not, because you can get more later. But we're not going to do that for this. We're going to keep it at 1 in stock. Shipping, this won't matter right now, unless you're going to start messing with the shipping settings. So for now, for just adding the product, I wouldn't touch anything here. Variants, as you can see, that's like size and color. So I won't do that right now, just to keep this simple. And yeah, I think for now that's pretty much all you have to do, just to quickly get a product up onto your store. So go ahead and save the changes, and if you want to check that out real quick, you can just click the view button up here and it's going to open up that product page. And there is the test product, and you can see the wonderful description I gave it here, and then it's live, so people could buy this. So anyway, I'm going to go back in here and change it to out of stock. Let's say somebody bought it, and now I'm going to save that. And now if I go back and refresh this, it is sold out now. So there you have it. That's how you add a product to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, let me know.